Let's know how you can use Explore on Uolo Teach. Open Uolo Teach app. Click on the Explore card. Select the book you want to teach. Now, select the chapter. There are multiple media formats like videos, key terms, worksheets. Now let's see how you can share the content with the students. Select the grade. You can either select students individually or can select all students at once. Click on the Share button. Congratulations! Your content is shared with the students. You can also bookmark your videos by clicking on this icon, and the bookmarked content will be visible here. For viewing your shared content with the students, you can open the chat section and view it. Good luck!